Welcome back, friends. We are ready to get back at it with this week's episode. Dad's here in town, so we're hoping to make some pretty good progress. Next up on the list, we're going to be sealing the interior of the boat. We've already got one coat down, so we've got 2 coats left to go. We're going to be sanding in between each one to smooth out the rough edges. But Dad's here, so I'm going to go see if I can find him and see what he's up to. I also got a new camera, so hopefully you got a little bit better video quality, maybe some better sound, I don't know, we'll find out. Oh. So you said this used to be a chicken coop?
Yeah.
I don't know, man, I don't see it.
Before you start, we're going to talk about roughing up the corners. We're not sanding it smooth, we're taking the smoothness out so the next layer will have some way of adhering. Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're saying we don't need we'll put supports on either side of the longitudinals, but we're not going to put one over here.
Yeah.
We'll just bevel the edge of the sole and it'll seat right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Deck plate hole here, and then the gas tank will be there, and we'll still want to have like maybe a couple access.
If we're doing those supports with dimensional lumber, we need to make sure we have enough dimensional lumber. And is it at this shop or is it at the old shop?
Still at the other house.
Okay. Well, cool. I feel like we're maybe halfway done at
Maybe.
this point.
Maybe halfway done. Someone can yell at us and tell us we're not halfway.
Yeah. I don't want to record this.
Well, I want to record this.
Huh?
I want to record this.
Oh. Recording?
Yeah. Stop recording.
Yeah.
So the next boat I think we could go with medium here.
Yeah.
We have a short segment of cleaned out if you talk a lot of time. I guess that's true.
All right, there it is, all done. Looks nice and glossy. We'll do another coat tomorrow. It's tomorrow. Let's do the second coat.
decided to
Larry.
marry Larry.
Is that a baby right there, and if you're just looking at a kid and you're building in? Now, down payment, the operating funds to show the bank
Yeah.
how much you have, and the maximum is, you don't have to declare any income tax.
Well, if you just buy stuff.
You wanna leave that door open just to let it air a little bit?
Yeah, we can.
I can understand not open.